So yesterday I came up and nailed this on and caulked it. I'm going to caulk it some more right in here and right there. But I thought I'd try to get the slate on first. So I first removed all the bad slate, and I had used the ripper. Got my nail with tools here. We got the ripper, the cutter, hammer. We got some slate over here. We got some nails. We got the drill in case we need to drill some. I'm gonna pick up a bit. Got them in my pocket. So now the tricky part is we need a half piece here. It's got to be cut right down. Tricky thing to do. So I'll have to look for one that's kind of straight. This would have been a good one. Hopefully I got another one. So I'll need a half piece here. Then we have 2 fulls. Then we're going to need another half piece up here. And that one's going to be tough because I may have to take this one off right here. My only other option would be to drill through, put a bib in it. But it'd be nicer if I can take this one off, put a new one on with a bib up there, right there. So that would be the best. That's probably what I'm going to do. But let's get our first cut one right now. We have to rip the long ways. Oh, and I saved one of the ones I pulled off right here. I saved that for my template. I could have brought one up. I have others, but I thought they would be. Okay, let's keep it going. This one's a real beautiful one. It's just kind of a shame to be up here where no one can see it, but except for me. It's got some of the green and some of the kind of mauve or color. I can't remember what they call that. It's cool.